Look who the hell I just found sitting outside. Oh, I hope he's done. I doubt it, but I hope he's done. Okay, everyone, so I just got off work. I already took the loaner back to the Chevrolet dealer a little bit in the afternoon, but I'm going to get off this camera. I'm going to walk right down to where I need to go, and I'm going to go get Reaper. Just got the paperwork for him. They actually even detailed him for free. And of course, I got the sheet right here. But I'm happy. Looks pretty damn good, if I must say so myself. Own that wang. That wang. And so I apologize for the ghetto-ness of this video, but like I said, I'm actually making this with my cell phone. First time starting Reaper up. Where's that start button? Where's that? There we go. I'm happy as a motherfucking clam. Hold on a second, I gotta turn this off. But I did not envision the very first thing I would be doing with my car when I got it back was spending more of my hard-earned motherfucking money at the damn gas station. Because anybody who knows, who has one of our cars, one of these, or who even has a big motor V8 like I got in this one, no, these are some gas guzzling motherfuckers. But hell, I don't care. If I gotta fill them up, I gotta fill them up. But look at this big black and yellow badass motherfucker right here. I'm sorry, I'm giddy if you can't tell by my voice, but I finally got him back after 3 weeks of having him in the shop, and I'm sorry, I'm like Quagmire off Family Guy. I'm giggity giggity. I'm giggity giggity. So now that Reaper has a little bit of petrol in him, let's go ahead and get on the highway for a second. I'm sorry, I'm excited, I can't help it. Don't hate me because I'm not afraid to act full on camera, y'all. I got my car back. I got my car back. Happy. Oh man, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. No, I'm not really sorry. I don't care. I'm happy. I got my car back. It's a good Wednesday. I'm feeling good, but I know y'all don't want to see me acting a fool on camera. Y'all want to know exactly what went down with my car, exactly what happened. So I'm going to go ahead and find me a place to park, and I'll give you guys the details of exactly what went down. Now, I'm sure the most important question that everybody wants to know is, well, bruh, did you get a brand new engine? Did they fix the old one? Let us know. Well, everybody, I have the details right over here. Now, at the end of the day, everybody, turns out, no, I did not get a brand new motor. Turns out what they thought a week and a half ago when I made that video giving you guys a brief update of exactly what was going on, it turns out the heads were the issue with my engine. Now I'm gonna read this brief paragraph to you just so you guys can understand what they found and what they did. Check this out. Now they scanned and found code P0300, whatever the hell that means. I guess I'll Google that when I'm done. Check and found skip on number 2 cylinder. Remove spark plug and check compression on number 2 cylinder and found 40 PSI of compression on number 2 cylinder. Perform a leak down test and found number 2 cylinder has 80% leak down and can hear air coming from the throttle body. Remove right side cylinder head for inspection and found number 2 intake valve damaged. Remove intake valve for cylinder head and found valve guide damaged. So turns out the only thing that was failing my engine was simply just a change in heads. Now I've only had my car for a couple of hours and everything seems to be running fine, but I'm hoping everything is right back to normal because when I got my car back the last time, I had my car for 2 days and then it broke down. But hopefully everything is done. Everything seems to be running smoothly because in a week and a half is actually my next track day at Barber Motorsports, April 22nd, that I'm hoping I can still make. Now, before I end this video, one thing I'm gonna say is I have to give props and I have to give thanks to the people and folks over at GM. I have to give props to the mechanic and my service advisor here at the dealership because whatever and however they reported all of this over to GM still to get me warranty covered, I gotta give everybody props because this whole situation, this entire situation, yeah, but I'm not even gonna say anything because I gotta give thanks because hell, they warranted my car. I didn't have to pay a dime for this, y'all. So I really can't complain. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna be happy. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to turn this mother freaking camcorder off, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn me on some Ludacris. I'm gonna go back out and I'm gonna act a damn fool. I got Reaper back, y'all. But I hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day. I hope everybody's day is going as good and everybody's as hyped as I am because I got my car back, y'all. But I hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day. And I'll check you guys on the next upload.